Hello guys! Ito title ng story ay Chicken and the Bear. Said the chicken found some seeds. He wants some seeds. But there's a bear coming from him. Said the chicken run away. And the bear gonna be eating him. So the chicken gonna go to the farm and get some honey. He gets some honey to throw in the bear. He likes honey. So the chicken eat the seeds. And the other chicken saved by the chicken, he go to her friend chicken. Said by her friend chicken, where are you come from? Said by the little chicken, I come from in that big bear. Okay, go to the farm and feed some seeds. And some monkeys, he eating some bananas. Said by the little chick. And you saw so many bears around for them. They're gonna be escape. They're running it. They're throwing some more honey. And they're gonna go to the water of the farm and to throw away. So the chicken get to that wall and it broke. And the little chicken naps some little wood. But her friend is never. He gonna be in some seeds. And the end.